Hello, I'm Kyle Bradshaw, and watch this video where I'm going to give you the introduction to how I got into motovlogging.
As we travel down the road, let's go. So this is the beginning of my motovlogging career, if you will. For years, I've been doing video in the industry. Basically started that back in 2004, 2005. Yeah, and that went really far. We've got about 3,000 videos, actually probably 4,000 videos out there. All right, here we go. Turn the key on. All right, you guys ready? All right, so my career in the motorcycle industry started back in 2003 when I got a job with a shop called Cruiser Customizing. I worked with them for a long time. In 2004 and 2005, well, at the end of 2004, beginning of 2005, we decided we wanted to start doing videos. I was running the customer service team of about 20 people, and I needed to be able to spread more information faster. So my idea was, I do these short little video clips about a specific product, upload them online, people would see them, they'd watch them, and they wouldn't have to ask the customer service team those questions because those questions had already been answered. Now that did work. It was amazing. That Cruiser Customizing channel still exists out there on YouTube. It's got about 3,000 videos on it. I want to say somewhere in the neighborhood of 18 million views or something like that. Pretty cool. So anyway, I've traveled with 2 different motorcycle companies since then, Adventure Designs. I helped them grow their library quite extensively. And now I'm at Chaparral Motorsports down here in sunny Southern California. So just recently I started working with Suburban Delinquent, doing some stuff for Chaparral, and I decided, you know what? I've always got people asking questions about motorcycle-related stuff, and I thought that I would, fire up the camera, see if I can get some of those questions answered. So that's going to be kind of what we're doing here over the next little bit, testing out this motovlogging thing. The hard part is getting audio into your helmet that can then go to the GoPro. That is, oh my goodness, it is a nightmare. So, I'm going to take you on that journey as well, but today, focusing a little bit, traveling over steel grates that are wet from the sprinklers, while splitting lanes through traffic at 8 a.m. in the morning. Awesome.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to this video. There will be more action coming here shortly. Please like, subscribe, tune in, and I'll see you soon. Take care and ride safe.